So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made almost around $400 with Clickbank affiliate marketing with generic ads. And again, as you could see on the screen, this is the amount and this is the product as well. And trust me, no one on YouTube would show you this, but guess what? I'm showing you. So please consider subscribing. And before we begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So you know what to do, right? Just subscribe, because as I always say, what time it is, it's time to make money. Now let's get back to the video. So first things first, just you need to message the product owner and tell him to give you a list of keywords. So this is the list of keywords, and trust me guys, if you watch this video till the end, I'm gonna give you the winning keyword which made me a sale. So stay tuned, right? All the keywords are given. First things first, all you need to do is create a new campaign. Once you create a new campaign, click on website traffic, click on continue, click on search. Okay, continue. You can put a campaign name. Once you do that, I would go on clicks and I would not select this one. The reason for that is Google takes 5 days to optimize and learn. So after 5 days, I would set a CPC, but for now, I'm not gonna do it. Let the algorithm learn. Once that's done, click on next. I would remove the display network. I would enter a location. So which location do you need to put? Ask your product owner. So as you could see, the product owner said US. So I'm just going to put United States. That's it. Next, language is English. Click on next. Okay, now you can create different ad groups. So I would select two ad groups, right? So lower blood sugar would be one ad group. So I would say lower blood sugar would be one ad group. You can create another one as well. And now again, you can put, so right now you need to create a landing page. So for now I'm just going to put Yavar Khan, and I would say, again, there are a lot of ideas, and I have a free course, guys. You can go and sign up there. I show you how to create a landing page, what landing page to use. So everything is there in the free course. You can go and check it out. I'm not showing you over here because everything is in the course, so you can go and check it out. So now you put the URL. Again, over here it shows you natural blood sugar level. You can put this one, supplement to reduce sugar level. Lower, again it's low, reduce blood sugar. You can say then low, then go back on the keywords. Natural, always take something from the keyword related to the keyword. I would say, would copy this thing, paste it over here. I would go over here. I would spy on the competition, because something is working, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can scroll down. I would not use this one because your account will get suspended, your Google Ads account. Always never mention Shark Tank and all that. But you can see other ones as well. So just get an idea about what you could see. Top blood sugar supplement, this looks really good. Scroll down, natural blood sugar support. So if you see sponsored, that means it's an ad. So spy on your competition, and everything is explained in my free course. You can go and check it out. See type 2 diabetes, every sponsored, right? So you can just create something like this, top blood sugar supplement, and all of these ideas are here as well. So you could do that, put the description and do next. Once you do that, I would start with $50. Let me just go. Campaign name, I would say, like, you can put test, and I would just create the campaign. I'm not going to do it right now because it's a test campaign, but that's how you do it, and that's how you create a campaign and you get a sale. Now the winning keyword which got me the sale, I'm going to show it to you right now. So again, this is Click Magic. It's a tracking tool, and it shows me I got around $187 of profit from one keyword, which is how to lower blood sugar level. And you can, it's very simple. With just 283 clicks, I got one sale, and my CPC was around 0.25 cents. So it made me around 50-60% ROI. So I made a good amount of money. And you could see it's from mobile, it's from exact, and it's from Google. It shows me the ad group ID, it shows me the ad ID. Everything is in my course, all the ads and everything, so you can go and check it out. The link is down in the description. And that's how you create a generic campaign and you start making money. And that's how simple it is. And a lot of people on Instagram were messaging me, Yavar, why are you not creating videos consistently? So guys, to be frank, I'm a bit lazy. Okay, I just spend 2 hours a week on affiliate marketing, and then the rest of the week I make money on autopilot, and it's very simple. And I don't want to reinvent the wheel and create the same videos and again, because it's the same logic with generic ads and branded ads. And a lot of students of mine are making money with the same strategy, so you can learn the same way. The link is down below. And if you have any questions, guys, do let me know in comments, or just follow me on Instagram. Just ask me questions over there and join my free course. The link is down below. And I think so that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.